Welcome to question number 20 from the August 2016 Algebra 2 exam. So in this problem, we're trying to figure out which of these three rules are true for all numbers, for all real numbers. So looking at the first one, it's quite simple. It's m plus p all squared. So we can see the expanded form of that being m squared plus 2mp plus p squared. Hopefully you can identify it pretty quickly that that is always going to be the case. You can double check that yourself by using the FOIL method. If you did m plus p multiplied by m plus p, you would get that expanded form. I'm not going to bother showing you that because it's pretty straightforward. All right, so for the second one, we're going to test out expanding x plus y cubed to see if we get the right-hand side here. So let's get started. So first I'm going to multiply these together, so we get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. And now we need to multiply these two polynomials together. So first I'll do x multiplied by everything in there, and we'd get x cubed plus 2x squared y plus xy squared. And now we're going to multiply y with everything in the brackets there. We would get, I'm just going to change colors. We would get x squared y plus 2xy squared plus y cubed. So let's see if there's any common terms here we can combine. We've got an x squared y term and x squared y term here. And then there's also an xy squared and an xy squared. So we can combine some of these things here. So we'd have x cubed, and then plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. So we can see that does not quite match what they had written down here. Well, not even close, really. So number 2 is clearly incorrect. Okay, so now let's test out number 3. First, I'm going to expand the left-hand side of the equation, a squared plus b squared all squared. So you can see I've written that down here. And then we're going to use the FOIL method to expand, and we would get a to the power 4 plus 2a squared b squared plus b to the power 4. So now, separately, we're going to expand the right-hand side of that equation and see if it matches this expansion. So I'm working up on the right-hand column here. So first we're going to expand these using the FOIL method, and we would get a to the power 4 minus 2a squared b squared plus b to the power 4. And then over here, if we square 2ab, we would get 4a squared b squared. Now we do have some common terms here we can combine. You can combine the a squared and b squared terms. So then we would have a to the power 4 plus 2a squared b squared plus b to the power 4. So the question is, does that match what we have down here? Yes, it does. Perfectly. So the rules 1 and 3 can be proved for all real numbers. So our correct answer is option number 4. All right, I hope that was helpful, and that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.